Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are thrilled to have you here and excited to share our passion for the automobile industry with you. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with high-quality content that is both informative and entertaining. Whether you're a seasoned automobile enthusiast or just getting started, our videos are designed to educate and inspire you. On our channel, you'll find a variety of content regarding automobiles. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and our commitment to providing accurate, up-to-date information on automobiles. We believe that automobiles are more than just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. And we're here to help you live that lifestyle to the fullest. So, whether you're looking for tips and tricks, reviews of the latest automobiles and automobiles technology, or just some good old-fashioned entertainment, you've come to the right place. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We can't wait to see where it takes us. The automobile industry is one of the largest and most important industries in the world, responsible for the production, sale, and maintenance of cars, trucks, buses, and other motor vehicles. It's a complex and dynamic industry that has undergone significant changes and advancements in technology, design, and manufacturing processes over the years. Since the invention of the first gasoline-powered car in 1886, the automobile industry has grown to become a major contributor to the global economy, employing millions of people and generating trillions of dollars in revenue each year. It has played a significant role in shaping modern society and has revolutionized the way we live, work, and travel. Today, the automobile industry faces many challenges, including the need to address environmental concerns, changing consumer preferences, and the development of new technologies such as electric and autonomous vehicles. Companies in the automobile industry are investing heavily in research and development to stay competitive and adapt to these changes. Despite these challenges, the automobile industry continues to be a vital part of our world, providing transportation, jobs, and economic growth. As the industry continues to evolve and transform, it's important to stay informed about the latest trends and innovations shaping the future of transportation. Types. There are several different types of automobile engines, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the most common types of automobile engines. 1. Internal combustion engines, ICE. This is the most common type of engine found in cars, and it burns fuel, usually gasoline or diesel, to create the energy needed to power the vehicle. There are two types of ICE engines, the spark ignition engine, used in gasoline-powered vehicles, and the compression ignition engine, used in diesel-powered vehicles. 2. Hybrid engines. These engines combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor and a battery pack. They can run on either gasoline or electricity, and they're designed to optimize fuel efficiency by switching between the two power sources as needed. 3. Electric motors. Electric motors are powered by a battery pack and an electric motor, and they're designed to be completely emission-free. They're becoming increasingly popular due to their energy efficiency and environmental benefits. 4. Rotary engines. Rotary engines use a unique design that involves a spinning rotor instead of pistons. They're known for their high revving capabilities and smooth operation, but they're not as efficient as other engine types. 5. Turbine engines. Turbine engines are similar to those used in aircraft and use combustion to power a turbine that generates energy. They're not common in passenger vehicles, but they're used in some specialty cars and trucks. 6. Fuel cell engines. Fuel cell engines use hydrogen fuel cells to create energy, which is then used to power an electric motor. They're emission-free and highly efficient, but they're not widely used due to the high cost of producing hydrogen fuel cells. These are just a few of the many different types of automobile engines available today. Each type has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of engine will depend on factors such as fuel efficiency, power output, and environmental concerns. ICE engines, or internal combustion engines, are the most common type of engine used in automobiles today. They burn fuel, usually gasoline or diesel, to produce energy, which is used to power the vehicle. ICE engines come in two main types: spark ignition engines and compression ignition engines. Spark ignition engines, also known as gasoline/petrol engines, are the most common type of ICE engine used in passenger cars. They work by compressing a mixture of air and gasoline and then igniting it with a spark plug. This creates an explosion, which pushes the pistons down and creates energy that is used to power the vehicle. Gasoline engines are typically smaller and lighter than diesel engines, and they're known for their quick acceleration and high RPMs. Compression ignition engines, also known as diesel engines, work by compressing air in the cylinder and then injecting diesel fuel into the cylinder, which causes it to ignite. This creates a high-pressure explosion, which pushes the pistons down and creates energy that is used to power the vehicle. Diesel engines are known for their high fuel efficiency and torque, which makes them ideal for heavy-duty vehicles such as trucks and buses. ICE engines have several advantages, including their high power output, quick acceleration, and relative affordability. However, they also produce harmful emissions, such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, which can contribute to air pollution and climate change. As a result, there is a growing interest in alternative engine technologies, such as hybrid and electric engines, which offer better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The future of the automobile industry is likely to be shaped by several major trends and developments, including 1. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, EVs, are becoming increasingly popular as battery technology improves and the cost of EVs continues to decline. Many governments around the world are also providing incentives for consumers to buy EVs as part of efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. 2. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars, are also expected to become more common in the coming years. Companies such as Tesla, Google, and Uber are investing heavily in this technology, which promises to reduce accidents and increase the efficiency of transportation. 3. Mobility as a service. Mobility as a service, MaaS, is a new concept that involves providing transportation services on demand rather than relying on traditional car ownership. This could involve a combination of public transportation, ride-sharing services, and other mobility options. 4. Sustainability. Sustainability is a growing concern for many consumers, and car manufacturers are responding by developing more fuel-efficient vehicles and investing in renewable energy technologies. Many companies are also exploring new ways to reduce the environmental impact of their operations, such as using recycled materials and reducing waste. 5. Connected cars. Connected cars are vehicles that are equipped with advanced sensors and communication technologies, which allow them to communicate with other vehicles and with infrastructure such as traffic lights and road signs. This technology promises to improve safety and reduce congestion on the roads. Overall, the future of the automobile industry is likely to be shaped by a combination of technological advancements, changing consumer preferences, and government policies aimed at reducing emissions and promoting sustainability. We will be discussing everything about and related to automobiles in this channel, with unlimited topics. Please feel free to suggest topics and what video you want me to come up with next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more automobile content. Tap the bell icon for notification.